The role of a system administrator, sysadmin, is crucial in managing and maintaining an organization's IT infrastructure, servers, and network systems. Sysadmins play a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth functioning, security, and availability of computer systems and services. Their responsibilities can vary depending on the size of the organization and the complexity of the IT environment, but generally include the following. 1. System maintenance and configuration. Installing, configuring, and maintaining operating systems and software applications. Setting up and managing user accounts, permissions, and access rights. Monitoring system performance and optimizing configurations for optimal operation. 2. Network administration. Managing network infrastructure, including routers, switches, firewalls, and VPNs. Configuring and troubleshooting network connections and ensuring reliable network communication. Implementing security measures to protect the network from unauthorized access and cyber threats. 3. Server management. Installing and maintaining server hardware and software. Managing server resources, such as CPU, memory, and storage. Setting up and managing virtualization technologies to optimize server utilization. 4. Backup and disaster recovery. Implementing backup solutions to ensure data integrity and availability. Developing and testing disaster recovery plans to minimize downtime in case of system failures. 5. Security and compliance. Implementing and enforcing security policies, access controls, and encryption methods. Conducting regular security audits and vulnerability assessments to identify and address potential risks. Ensuring compliance with industry standards and data protection regulations. 6. Troubleshooting and issue resolution. Responding to user-reported issues and providing technical support and assistance. Identifying and resolving hardware and software problems promptly. Investigating system errors and crashes to determine root causes. 7. System monitoring and performance tuning. Monitoring system performance and resource usage to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Proactively optimizing system configurations to ensure optimal performance. 8. Documentation and reporting. Creating and maintaining detailed documentation of system configurations, procedures, and troubleshooting guides. Generating reports on system performance, incidents, and maintenance activities. 9. IT infrastructure planning and upgrades. Participating in IT infrastructure planning, including capacity planning and hardware upgrades. Researching and recommending new technologies and solutions to enhance system efficiency and security. 10. User training and support. Providing user training on IT best practices and software applications. Assisting users with technical issues and offering guidance on IT-related tasks. The role of a system administrator is critical in ensuring the reliable and secure operation of an organization's IT systems. They are responsible for managing and safeguarding the backbone of the company's technology infrastructure, making their role indispensable in modern business operations. If you like this video, please share, comments and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on a bell icon to get the latest video notification. Thank you for watching this video.